I done lost almost all of my damn footage. Fuck around with this raggedy ass memory card. But we got a chicken frenzy up in here. These kids done finished off my rotisserie chicken. I done missed the Biggins crew walking through. Bird watching. If I wasn't sick yesterday, I probably could have been bird watching with my son. But unfortunately, I don't know what was wrong with me. But I was toe up from the flow up yesterday. I done gave a whole damn rotisserie chicken. Get that too. Get it all. You just gonna come over here big beastly away and take the whole rest of it, huh? Your scary ass. Y'all was running earlier. Y'all was running. Mine? It's mine. Give me my chicken back. Give me that good ass rotisserie back. You just being greedy, hogging it all to your damn self too. That was a whole that was damn near a whole bird, y'all. All I took was the top breast layers off. They done flew away with the drumsticks and every damn thing else. And picked this carcass clean. It was about 15, 20 of them. My memory card fucked up. Oh yeah, he got it. He tearing it apart too. I guess he the big chief because ain't nobody else messing with him. The beaker birds over there getting the bread. He about to fly off with that one. He gone. He about to fly off with that. He gone. We got a 300 meat going on over here. Got all this music going on. We done scared all the other birds off. Yeah, I'm bored in the house, bored. Even though I'm not in the house. My car is the house, I guess. Hey, what's your name? Come here. Bring your ass here. You owe me some money now. I bought that damn chicken for y'all. Go give me a goddamn $20 bill. What's up, y'all? I'm just bird watching. I done threw these bastards a whole ass chicken. They done devoured this bitch. I done seen a big ass fat family walk through with some damn dogs. And this shit just been hilarious. I'm mad that my memory card didn't record that shit. I'm gonna have to give me a whole nother memory card. But they devouring the rest of this here chicken. It was about 30 birds out here. They was on it. Ah, you scary cat. Mine? Did you see how he just turned around and looked at me? Oh, who the fuck you looking at like that? I'll beat your bitch ass. Give me my motherfucking chicken back, you hoe. I said give me my chicken. You think I'm playing? I open this door on your ass. Oh, this the brave one. All them other ones was running. Look at his thick neck ass. Oh, he said, I done got my feel. He done with it now. Uh-oh, he coming back. He coming back. Oh, no, he gone. They all gone. Oh, I guess Big Papa Smurf, I might have scared them all. Let's see who else we gonna get to come up over here. Oh, hey, cutie, how you doing? Look at that little cutie right here, y'all. Look at that little cutie. Let me see if I can get her attention. That's all I got. You always come out the house looking that cute? All right, pretty lady. I see your ring. Yeah, I see it. I guess they all done with this here spot. That's all that's left of my little chicken spot. That's all they left. They left that. It was a whole ass chicken. Let me see. I see some action. I see him coming back around. I think they want to finish off these bones. Are they done? Is y'all finished or is y'all done? Alright, in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna go over here and check out this here Mopar show. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my, I ain't gonna do Pimp Daddy hat. I am gonna do this hat. Make sure don't no bird get up in here and shit in my shit. They definitely done. What up, y'all? Where my little mask at? I don't know what these motherfuckers breathing. Yeah. But this here chicken is the done. Is the done. They done picked apart all the bones. Ain't shit left but a carcass. But in the meantime, between time, we got a Mopar show going on over here. See what we got going on. C3 screwed dread head. What's this, a Mopar show today? Y'all make me mad. I ain't driving my shit. Oh yeah, this all Mopar. That green is out cold. What up, dog? That green flake is kind of nice, y'all. Hey, bro, got my cousin on here. That's what from Toledo? Yeah. Look, that's this shit, bro. Now y'all could have put online that it was gonna be a Mopar show up out here. I could have brought my shit on down.
Hey, where y'all at, bro?
Yeah, then they got the big Dodge trucks over here. You ain't included. That boy City Beastly. What's happening, man? All right, check it out, y'all whips. That's all. Yeah. If I'd have known it was gonna be a Mopar day out here, I wouldn't have drove the Cadillac. Ain't nobody told me shit. It's all good though. It's all good though.
Yeah, we doing a ride out today. One of the guys from another club got killed a few months back. So this is, I think, was his birthday or something today, or anniversary, something like that. So we doing all the ride out. So some of the clubs met up here, but we finna head down to Belmont Shopping Center. That's where all the rest of the clubs is at.
Okay.
So it's a lot of clubs.
Well, I'm sorry for y'all loss, man. I know it's always hard when you lose somebody, bro.
Oh yeah.
Especially in the car. You know,
he was in a biker club. So
yeah, I was just about to say I ride a Hayabusa. I got a Dodge Charger. I'm Mopar gang, all that shit too. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
All the way from Flint Town all the way down to the D, man. We all through
That's
this
my
shit.
next person to give me a bike.
Yeah.
Give me a bike.
Yeah, don't.
I don't know if I want a cross rocker. I kind of want
cruiser, man.
I want a
cruiser. I got a crotch rocker. My next step is a cruiser. I'm getting a little bit too old. Belly done got a little bit too big, you know, to be leaning over like this, ass hanging out. Can't cover this motherfucker.
My cousin got Hayabusa and he modified that sucker.
Yeah.
He let me get on it. Man, that shit scared the shit out of me, man. When I say he modified it, it don't have
He probably got a turbo on it.
Yeah. Motherfucker go about 210.
Yeah.
I was like, hell no, dog. I said, give me something like a cruise, something I could just lay back, chill, ride.
Cause that Hayabusa, that's a whole nother monster, bro.
Man.
And mine's is just factory. And I'm scared.
Like
I'm scared of mine. I done had mine 10 years, and I'm still scared of that bitch. Don't get me wrong. I done headed all the way up to 189 on the highway. Damn. But man, that's a scary feeling when you out there rolling like that.
He said when you rolling on the highway that fast, he said the road just go.
Yeah, it's a blur.
Like that.
Yeah.
It just go into one. I'm like,
yeah.
For real? He's like,
oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit from Biker Boys when old boy got that tunnel vision. That's real.
Oh, watch out. Yep, that tunnel vision, man.
You need to roll. This is a Ford, and you can't come through here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what kind of Mopar you got?
I got a Charger. What's back?
Yeah, they got a Charger club too. Motor City Charger Challenge. My girl in it. She got a Charger.
Okay. This big beastly boy. Look at these big ass wheels.
There's a monster right here.
This you?
I don't know where she at.
Oh, that's a girl's?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, that's a girl. She's standing right here.
Okay, little Tonka truck girl. Okay, I see you. Shit, I don't even think I can climb up in that big motherfucker, man. I ain't even go front no more. Now this right here, this be my shit. This me all day. This is the same color as my Charger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Boy, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's my next step. Give me a new truck.
We'll just go ahead and hop in one of these. You look like a truck man. This is the best,
yeah.
This is one of the best ones they've made thus far.
Yeah. No doubt.
Coming out with a Hellcat version. If you like speed.
Ooh, come on now. I'm a tall guy, car guy, man. Come on now. You ain't gotta tell me about the speed.
It'll be out by the end of the year. It's supposed to been out. From Corona.
Yeah. Ooh wee. Got that Uber and Lyft on there scaring the shit out of riders up in there. This one you?
Yeah, they
all right. What's your name, man? Elbow. Oh, my bad. Elbow. Nice to meet you, bro. This boy nice.
What's your name?
Rob. People call me Mon.
Big Rob.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they love it.
I know they do.
I probably look on my phone on the app now. I got tips waiting for me.
Right.
You know.
Right.
Tips. They love it.
Right.
I say almost half of them fall asleep in the back.
Yeah.
I wake them up.
I need to go on and sign up for Uber and Lyft. I might as well.
It's right now money.
Yeah.
You go ahead. You can
look at these big ass wheels.
Within an hour or so. Cash out.
All right, man. But this is beautiful.
Realize what you got. That's why I said I just use this because I was Amazon.
Right.
Yeah.
Hustling, baby. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do.
You got black or red interior? Oh, that's black.
Yeah, it's leather out.
Okay, with the piping, white piping. Okay, all right, man. Hey, we catch each other in the field. What club y'all in?
Ram Boys.
Ram Boys?
Yeah.
Find them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook?
All of the above.
All of the above. Ram Boys. Okay.
Okay.
All right, man. Now you know this Dodge Road. You can't come down here with that Chevy. Y'all riding good though. You're riding good though. Shit. Let me get my ass on up out of here. They out here representing for one of their brothers that they lost, I guess. How y'all doing? I like this green though. This green kind of cold. Definitely a green light. Motherfucker cold. Damn, them Rucci's nice. SRT 4s. Them Rucci's sitting nice. Mad as hell if he hit a bump. I said big family I was talking about. Let me get my ass on up out of here, y'all. I've done my due diligence, bird watching and all that other good shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and politic and make my move on somewhere else because I got more things. What's up? Motherfuckers be killing me when they looking like, who the fuck is this nigga? Nigga, say what's up. we got more action. Got more action. Ate all my little chicken. Alright, y'all. I'm out. That's it for today. No more bird watching for me. Mopar Clan. Back to my boring life. And yes, I cut the beard.